Okay. Hi, everybody. Today is December 2nd, 2020. My name is Gina Russell, Council for Cold Lake First Nations. I hope everybody is well today. As for the update for today's numbers, we have 612 tests that have been completed. 551 of these have returned negative. At present, we have 19 recovered on reserve, and we also have 32 tests pending, so we're waiting on those. Unfortunately, we have 3 active positive cases of COVID-19 on reserve. And in our local area, Cold Lake, presently we have 62 active cases in the city of Cold Lake, and in Bonnyville and surrounding area, we have 24 active cases. So when you're out doing your business, please be cognizant of these numbers. Wear your masks, do social distancing, and please use hand sanitizer. With the new restrictions put in place by the government, there will be no members allowed inside our band buildings for 3 weeks. Because people are not allowed into the band buildings, we have installed a protocol for a doorbell on the right-hand side of the main doors at the band office. Please use this to communicate with office staff. Staff will be required to wear masks at all band buildings unless they are alone in their workspace. The AHS and the provincial measures are that there are to be no indoor social gatherings in any settings, outdoor gatherings a maximum of 10 people, weddings and funeral services max of 10, no receptions permitted, no festivals or events. Grade 7 to 12, there will be home learning, which began November 30th and will continue on till January 11th. ECS grade 6 at home learning after break will be till January 11th. Working from home should be considered where possible. You are not allowed to have anyone visit you that does not live in your home. If you live alone, you are allowed 2 people to visit. You are not allowed to have anyone visit your home during this time. We will have all this information on our webpage and Facebook page about the new restrictions. As of today, the province will be imposing fines up to $1,500 for anyone caught breaking the rules. And I've spoken to some people, and already fines have been given out as much as $2,500. So we don't want to get caught in that. These are the rules and guidelines put out by the province. During a pandemic, the federal government give these powers to each province to implement and enforce. These are not band bylaws. These are provincial bylaws. The RCMP, the CPOs, and the bylaw officers can and will fine you if you are not following the restrictions. So please follow those. As you see, our pending cases have went up. We are concerned because we could see a real dramatic increase in cases in the upcoming days. Please listen to the rules, stay at home if you can, social distance, wash your hands, wear a mask most of all to be safe. Please do all of these measures so that we can help protect our elders, our youth, our babies, and most of all those who are compromised, have immune compromise right now. If we do not, we will definitely see a lockdown for Christmas. It's up to you and I. Be prepared for a lockdown. You will have to go to the store and buy necessary supplies, and also in case you have to quarantine, try to have enough food on hand for a week for your family. Please stay safe, everyone. Continue to treat each other with respect, especially the health officials and staff who are working hard to protect our people. Big shout out to the healthcare workers in Alberta and throughout Canada and around the world. We feel the burnout by having to stay home. Imagine if you were the ones working with people with COVID. They have to be extra careful when they go home to their loved ones. There are health healthcare professionals who haven't had contact with their family and loved ones as well. So we all have to do our part, and that's what we ask for you today, for tomorrow, for next week and next month, so that we can all have a safe holiday time. With this, I want to say masi cho to our staff here at Cold Lake First Nations, our EOC staff, our healthcare staff, our teachers, our school, and for our public works who continue to work, all our essential workers, huge shout out to you, and masi cho and be safe.